The ointment coming yet?
No, my ointment coming yet.
He still didn't come in? That should take like 6-7 months.
6-7.
Go that hot sauce is really hot when it's hot. You feel me? Bullshit. That shit really be burning hot.
And my shit got the bumps on it. That shit help with the bumps too?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the bumps too?
Yeah. Bro, we making this shit homemade though.
Homemade?
Yeah, I don't know. He say he put a little bit of his sauce.
We live.
Oh shit, reporting live from ZWR News
Yo, that's
Anchor.
the cut. Over the mic.
Reporting live from ZWR News Anchor. We are foot on land in Philadelphia where there is 26 inches of snow. Show around. You feel me? I predicted this, you feel me? I said it yesterday. I told y'all the snow was gonna be bad. Hello to the news, you feel me? We are today. What the fuck? Yo, Jay, get it.
Damn!
Nigga, what the fuck is you doing?
Ah, my back!
What the fuck you get? Today, it is. This is what happens when you be a fucking dickhead. Don't take your trash out. You cannot take it out in this tight weather or these conditions. You feel me? Look around. The snow is just so bad. Look at the feet. You feel me? You can't even take out your trash. Yo, chat. What y'all on? W bit. Good job. They talking about need a change in us. Oh, we need some light. Oh, y'all couldn't see?
You couldn't see?
All right, redo it. Say redo it. Side, yo, live. Yo, Jay. Huh?
20%. My hand's cold as shit. We got like the speed run.
Is that enough to get to? Come on, we out. We gotta
say we got the speed run. We gotta take a chance shot.
We really got to take a chance.
No bullshit, we really do.
Jay, how y'all feeling? Yeah, I'm definitely not taking my trash can out after that.
You feel? Bust my ass.
Chad, we good? Stream not lagging? Yo, cool. We all cool.
We outside in the snow.
They just bust his ass in the snow. Rob just bust his ass for content. This shit bad. Walk in front, Rob. Where we going? We cold? We feeling too icy. My ears cool. They just, oh no. Don't show around. Fuck it. They just.
Bro, we snowed in, bro. We're not even at the crib. We're not.
Stay on your feet. We trying to. Chat, when we first came outside.
Shit, what the fuck I just stepped on?
To come up with the idea, niggas stepped in the snow. I went straight like this. I'm like, oh, what the fuck? This shit bad out here.
We taking high knees, bro. In the fucking snow.
Yeah, the coat. Oh my God, Rob.
What?
Rob told me I thought a side trip. Niggas jumped out the porch right after me.
You on the right.
Right. Okay, y'all went outside today? Rob all over the place. Football fight, nobody got gloves. Alright, we gotta pick up the pace though.
I'm about to say.
That shit on 20. Hold up, we jogging. Light jogging in the snow. You feel me? Real 3 action, you feel me? We outside, feel me? Hard work come with hard training. We on the hill right now.
Fuck they talking about? That's the diamond gym. They ain't working harder than us. 35 birthdays.
Oh, we got to say that. We got to say that. Oh, please, no.
Big ass pile.
Stop! Well, you think the grind don't stop? The stop grind.
I'm smoked out. We won't be running this shit.
Come on, bro. Get your fit in. If that dick don't fit in, you feel me? That's how I'm feeling. Yo, I'm cold as shit, out of breath. My hands fucking.
I'm about to bust my ass, bro.
Yo, TP never been that serious. Oh shit. This shit look like Subway Surfers. Hold up. We definitely taking the Uber. My feet cold as shit.
Can we walk in the street, yo?
Oh shit. It's a sweet. Y'all hear
There
us?
ain't snow out here.
Y'all hear us, right? How you doing, man?
Hey, how you feel about all this snow? I feel you.
I feel you. It'll leave you speechless. Chat, y'all went outside today? I ain't running.
I'm about to say. Nigga, I'm tired.
We about to go to this corner store right here.
I gotta take a nap in the 7-Eleven.
Yo. Oh. Where the fuck she going? She cold as shit out this joint.
This guy, look at that shit.
He walking like he big. This how big people feel?
Yeah.
Woo. I ain't got my ski. I ain't get my ski. Oh. But it's very other big niggas. I ain't even get disrespectful.
Oh my God. I'm not Naya.
I'm not the biggest.
Here we go.
I really walk in the snow. Krusty Krab!
Oh, all right.
It's cold as shit. How you doing, sir? Can we get a little interview? Can we get a little interview? You Twitch streaming. We get a little interview real quick about the snow. How you feel about the snow?
I speak a little of English. I don't speak.
SL Snow.
Nieve.
Muy bien.
I feel you. You feel me? You go right there. I feel you.
Frio!
Oh, what's up?
Oh. No lie. Oh, yeah. Oh!
Oh my fucking God.
Yo!
Let's fucking clear this shit off. There's no way outside.
Show it around, Dad.
Street is clear, yo. There's no way out here. We in Germantown. Usually this shit jumping. We got 40 bucks.
Yo! No bar fight right now?
Fuck no. Fuck no. I'm gonna freeze. Oh shit. No more time.
We got like tissue rolls. A roll of tissue.
You guys wanna buy it?
Yeah. The bottle.
On the left side? I'm tired of shit.
Somebody else grab it.
The napkins?
Grab two.
We got I need some of this heat in here though, I ain't gonna lie.
This is cool. Ready to cheese on my pocket, right?
So like $5 right here.
The cheese, I'm on.
I grabbed the cheese. I grabbed the extra too.
Y'all gonna get frostbite. You don't forget our orders. Alright, they can't run. $2 a roll, they tweaking. No tag spot. Yeah, let's get it back. Can we get some gloves in the house? We homeless. We homeless, mud. Can we get one glove? Can we get one big glove?
We can share one glove.
Alright, can we? What can I get with $1?
2 bananas.
Two bananas. You feel me? We take 2 bananas. You feel me?
Call us the monkeys.
What, we monkeys and all that?
Yeah,
We monkeys and all that? Yes, monkeys.
I mean, it said first option, 2 bananas.
Wait,
2 bananas.
I'm gonna fuck him up. He definitely just go this month.
First option, 2 bananas.
Yo, I'm gonna fuck him up.
He said with a big ass mouth. So I knew y'all gonna like numbers.
He said nana.
Bananas.
I said, yo.
Pointed right at him.
I heard Frito.
And you fell right into it. Yeah, let me get him. 2 bananas.
That guy be racist.
fucking monkey.
Get a soap. I don't even eat bananas. Fuck it. This
I
is
don't
good.
eat, but
Fuck it. Bro, I don't eat bananas. Come on.
no.
Come on, Rob. Fuck no. I don't even know how to build this now.
You gotta just bite that shit. You can eat the skin. The skin real color. You got rubbing on your face and shit. Are you jerking the banana?
You can't get caught lacking.
Oh, alright. So you go jerk the banana?
It's a little good.
That shit good. Man, they got the ATVs out and shit.
That's a good nana, y'all. What the fuck is that right there? Sit.
Now you gobble that joint up.
Yo, child, I don't eat bananas no more. That's a good job.
She got the check hooks out shit.